Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to delete system restore files on Windows 11. So first of all, you have to search for settings, open it. Now go to settings, system, and click on storage. Now you have to choose show more categories. Now you have to click on this system and reserve, so it occupies most of the space. Now you will see that the system files are responsible for PC working well. So your PC will run properly if system files are stored. So you can't delete them. So you have to scroll down and you will see this system restore. So these files are required system in case you need to restore your PC to a previous state. If you want to go to in previous state, like if you have restore or if you have reset your PC, and if you want to restore to a previous state, then you need these system files. But if you don't want to do that, you can delete it. Click on this manage system restore. Now you have to choose C drive and click on configure. And now you can see that it delete all the restore point for this drive. So you can click on delete. So you will not be able to undo unwanted system changes to this drive. So this will delete all the restore point on this drive. This might include the older system reimage backup. So click on continue. And yeah, done. So now it's been deleted. Click on OK, and if we go back, now as you can see that guys, my C drive is completely free now from the system restore files. As you can see, now it is now 277 GB free now. So if you want to know how to disable the system restoration store on C drive, then you can watch my latest video on my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.